I'm Jessie from Cornflex. Follow me, let me show you our Cornflex. This is our sample room. With more than 30 years experience, we established our factory in Anhui province. Till now, we have got many certifications. We specialized in producing coated and bonded abrasives and converting products in our own plant. We are focusing on cutting, grading, and polishing tools for wood, metal, stone, automobile, and other industries. And we can also provide related accessories. Our slogan is to make your polishing easier. We Cornflex have formulated a mature production line, and we can produce whatever flat discs you want. Now let's go to the production line. Here is our official website. We Cornflex always looking forward to your inquiry, and we always at your services. So see you next time.